Most visitors come to Bangkok's Chinatown for the street food, but just a few blocks away is Talat Noi, one of the city's oldest and most interesting neighborhoods. Good morning, guys. We are in Talat Noi. This is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Bangkok's Chinatown. It's not too far from where we were last night, but the vibe is totally different. Slower, more local. People actually live and work here. It's a great place to come, explore some of the alleys, walk around, grab a coffee, have a snack. Let's see if I can get across the road here. And the best time to visit is during the week, Tuesdays through Friday. It's when in the morning in particular, because it's when the working part of Talat Noi is much more alive. And if you're wondering where is a good place to start in Talat Noi, right here, the Bumblebee. You can't miss it. Let's go explore. Talat Noi translates to Little Market, but it's the industrial roots that define its character. While much of the city is modernizing, this corner of Chinatown stays true to its heritage. It's a living, breathing community that's still hard at work every single morning. So Talat Noi has two main roads that go through it and a bunch of alleys to explore. No map required, just wander. If you like seeing raw everyday life, this is a neighborhood you will enjoy. I mean, where else are you going to see a machine shop with a transformer in front of it? All right, we're headed down this side street because I want to take you guys to a small coffee stand. Nothing trendy, nothing fancy, just very simple. Just a place where we can take in local life and just chill for a little bit. This little hidden gem coffee stand is the kind of place you don't just grab a drink, you become part of the neighborhood for a while. My friend right here offered me. Cheers. This is kind of like a Chinese style donut. That's good. This is great. What a great experience. Moments like this are so much fun that I had to have another cup. Little did I know, the party was just getting started.
You are married?
Not married.
No married. เขายังไม่แต่งงาน เฮ้ยจริงเท็จไม่รู้นะเว้ยเราเป็นนะใช่เนาะแต่ว่าคนไทยเหมือนกันเป็นล่ามหาไปละนี่คนรักได้เยอะ
I think I'm being married off now.
How are you?
How? 57.
57 67เหรอไม่ใช่
ไม่ใช่เด็ก
57
ปีเดียวกัน
โอเค
ไม่แก่ทำไมนี่หย่อนจังเลยอ่ะ
เดี๋ยวแม่ทีไปหามือเที่ยวดูเด็ก
Wow, the best cup of coffee I've ever had. All right, let's keep exploring. There's another side of Talat Noi you need to check out. Right off the main road, you'll see this street sign. It's the entrance to an alleyway that funnels you toward the river and into the evolving creative area of the neighborhood. As you walk deeper in, you'll start to see old spaces being repurposed into something new. It's a mix of colorful murals and small businesses, from local boutiques and wellness centers to tea shops and cafes. And you'll see century-old workshops that have been converted into cultural hubs. It's a great area to wander through